ये मुनाज़ा आप अपनी स्क्रीन पर देख सकते हैं, जहां पे चीनी सदर, वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ, फील्ड मार्शल सैयद आसिम मुनीर और वफ़द के दीगर अरकान से गुफ्तगू कर रहे हैं।
The Pakistani people. Field Marshal Munir, also welcome to China. I know that you just came back from Iran for positive efforts to mediate for peace. We appreciate the constructive role of Pakistan. Since we established diplomatic ties 75 years ago, China and Pakistan have understood each other, trusted each other, and supported each other, forging an unbreakable tradition of friendship. Our strategic mutual each other, trusted each other, and supported each other, forging an unbreakable tradition of friendship. Our strategic mutual trust and practical cooperation have greatly contributed to our respective development. Despite international changes, China has always prioritized Pakistan relations in our neighborhood diplomacy. Not long ago, I received a letter from the Pakistani students in Tianjin University. They are committed to be builders of cooperation, promoters of exchanges, and upholders of friendship between China and Pakistan. I'm truly encouraged to see that our friendship is being carried forward by the younger generation. China is ready to work with Pakistan to move faster to build an even closer China-Pakistan community with a shared future in a new era, work for more results in our all-weather cooperation, better benefit the two peoples, contribute to regional peace and stability, and set an example for building a community with a shared future among neighboring countries. Thank you.
Your Excellency, Honorable President Xi Jinping, a great friend of Pakistan and a great friend of peace-loving humanity. It's a great pleasure to be here again, and thank you for your very warm invitation to me and my delegation. Your Excellency, as you have rightly said, today marks 75th year of our glorious partnership in terms of friendly diplomatic relations. And on this auspicious occasion, I would like to congratulate you, our brothers and sisters in China, and of course, the people of Pakistan. And the credit goes to our founding fathers, who worked very hard to build this relationship over the last more than 7 decades, in that your great father also has a very valuable contribution to play in building these relations. And Your Excellency, I want to assure you that together we will build this relations in times to come from strength to strength. And together we have carved out a plan, a year-long celebrations of our 75 years of our diplomatic relations, which will continue making unwavering commitment that China and Pakistan are two iron brother countries, and this unique relationship is next to none. Your Excellency, last year I witnessed Chinese military prowess at the parade. I was invited there, and that showed the world that under your dynamic leadership, China is not only a world-class economic power, it is also a military power meant for progress and peace in the world, promoting your own philosophy of multilateralism around the globe. Your Excellency, yesterday I was in Hangzhou and I saw serene beauty of Hangzhou, gardens, orchards, lakes, beautiful buildings, road infrastructure, and visited great companies like Alibaba. And that reflected in no uncertain terms the vision and your dynamic leadership when you were there as governor and party secretary of Xinjiang province. Your Excellency, your journey is marked with resilience, courage from your childhood. And that is again a reflection of your quiet leadership, focusing on building people's destiny in terms of prosperity and progress, building friendship through Belt and Road Initiative, through CPAC. I think this differentiates you as a towering figure around the globe. Your Excellency, true leadership is earned through selfless hard work, sacrifice, and untiring efforts. And there's no other way to live in the heart of the people. Your Excellency's leadership is a profound expression of this true leadership, serving the cause of the people, people-centric progress and development. Your Excellency, I draw a lot of strength from your leadership. And in Pakistan, we have, by the grace of God, we have brought a lot of transformation, a lot of structural changes. It's a long way to go because these changes were long overdue. But with our unique partnership with Deputy Prime Minister, Field Marshal Syed Asim Munir, and a great team